special advisor to Governor Ben Ayade, my people, this one now on education matter. His name na Castro Exama, I beg. He talk say more than 60% of the girls where they secondary school for Cross River State, they say they not be virgins, according to Ram. And this matter happened because they began one program like that for radio. So in come outside, when they talk about government's effort to improve standard of education in Cross River State. Now, so he bring this matter, in come they tell us the level of what they call it, sexual intercourse between different students. They say girls now they figure like multiple partners. Say they just they do. So according because of that, he say. Since more than 60%, they no be virgins. My people now say, I say, make I bring this matter come aside because me, I get many things where I want to talk about this case. First of all, bring this virginity detector outside. Bring Castro, make you answer my question because I get serious. Baba only Baba. Hey, we can sit down with first. I don't know say you don't change your duty. From a special advisor to commissioner of virginity affairs. I no be know. My people, we don't get another title now for now. We no know. Commissioner of virginity affairs. Bros, with your head, we be like about where they no mold where. Because how you take no, say these people no be virgins. Start to answer me, as you can see, I'm a very busy person. So start to answer me. So now be say you dey tell us now say you don't tell where you they enter all the corners of all the guests for Cross River State. Hey! Oh bia. My people, now some people they come outside, they leak secret without them knowing. No, how this man take no say these guests no be virgins again. We need arrest him. Serious arrest. For the investigation where this man don't carry out in order to know say hey, something don't enter that place. So instead of make these people they focus on their job, obviously say they don't even get job because even their job because according to matter na educational matters. I beg how many educational facilities these people don't provide for students? How many? Una no go focus on a job, una they change from one thing to another. Now to the count virgins now, Abi? No, now to the count from education things now. Now they count virgin. I beg me, my advice for this man, Mr. Castro. Even if you are the most jobless person in this world or in this Nigeria, you know if you start to play Candy Crush. If you don't get any work to do at all, carry your phone, my brother. They play Candy Crush. Now go they enter all these small girls finish. They enter and they come outside behind the scene. They speak English. I mean, I think say we will be foolish. How you take no me? I be me person answer me because until I get answer, I no go dey satisfied for this matter. Parents, if you know say you get pikin for that school, you know, I don't even need to talk. Go and do the needful. Remove her fast before we go here say shakara do endo. You don't carry belle shakara because now the next thing we go here, we go just here say special advisor. Though in fact they plan marry 100 girls because all of them go carry. So I beg go carry your pikin from that school. This one I just see na simple thing na sign they just can't give una. More than 60% of the girls they are not virgins. They are Nigeria. Misplaced priorities, misplaced positions. Everybody don't they? In fact, nobody even know their job again. No, what do you expect? Police don't they do what do they call them? Road people work. People where they control cars. People where they control cars now don't they do lawyer work? Rapists now don't they? In fact, everybody just turn upside down. My people, now the matter be this. Me, I no fit kill myself for anything. And as I hear this one, I say una must hear now because this man definitely he don't do something with all these girls. So I say make I bring a call on aside. Anything where you guys talk concerning this thing because I know say my people, una know they form my hand. Never I don't moment with una. I know say una get plenty things to talk. So start the drop off for that comment section. I go reply now one by one and make sure say you share this video. Cross River State people must know say this man don't they enter the place. You understand? Very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you're not going to get interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don't bring you another matter from Cross River State. I know they smile. This one they very heartbreaking. Taxi driver wey dey on his own. Wetin they call these people? Tax force officials. They can't stop am. They can't tell us say Ngwanu, you go pay 50 naira for ticket fee. Wey this man no fit pay. As the man no gree pay them this thing, my people now so they destroy the car. If you na see how this kind of thing only for movie I see am. Wey person dey race car, they twist am, they do. No be there the thing even end. They even naked the man on top. Come see wahala. They start the fight. This one no gree. That one. For Cross River State, as I talk to na Calabar dey hot. So I beg for now. We don't know what they happen. Join me. Make we watch the video.
You will be by. Scataram. You will be by.
Man, two can now. More than two can put inside. See, look at.
I don't know why government
look at. Look at.
Oh, Jesus! Look at. 13 people there. Carry gun.
Look at.
Hey, come on, bottle. What did that man do?
Now your fellow man when they do this like this.
The fact say these people they destroy this man car safe. You know they make me they vex more than the people where they stand there they look. All of them where they do look walk. I don't just understand which kind of heart human beings don't get like this. How una go stand there they watch how they abuse human being like una. They even naked down. They destroy in car and una still sit down there like una still stand. Una no fit just do anything. If on a level of mumu, you don't pass degree. Wickedness. So una no fit just carry plank, knock those two idiots where they harass that man. God. My heart they bleed. My people know on a more serious note, this one no be laughing matter. My heart they seriously bleed because all the people where we they hear their voice every day. Hey, do this one, hey, do that one. When real matter come for real life, they go just shift. Like say the thing don't even concern them. Task officials, my foot. See what una they do na fellow man. I do wonder sometimes whether una they carry una self put for people's shoes sometimes. Tomorrow now people go come outside. I am a student of so. I am studying law. Which law you they study? For lawless country like Nigeria, you still they study law. No, why una they study law when you know say una no even fit practice am? People no even they acknowledge am. Una they study law. Make una continue they study law until una life go become low like that because of 50 naira. 50 naira. I no just don't understand. I bet for now we no because I know say I get fellow Ghanaians and other people where they watch. 50 naira na like how much say for Ghana cedis? If I know the mistake, now no say me at the but if I know the mistake, that 50 naira will be like 50 pesos now. I be 1 CD. Because of that, video wey una just watch na wetin dey do man like that. No, I no go even dey surprised because when already we get leaders wey be animals, no, how citizens wan behave? Because na lead by example. People dey look up to people wey sit down there. Assuming na this man do something to one of these task officials now, story for change. The matter for be different matter now. Another story for enter picture. They for don't lock am up. They for don't. But now, I dey wait whether they go lock person up. But obviously, we know the end, so no need for us to be waiting. If not, we go carry belle, we go even deliver. Nothing will come out. The cowardness for Nigeria, now 5 and 6 with the citizens. Una just stand, they look. No, I dey repeat am because this thing dey pay me. Me where I sabi, see, hey, now because una never know me very well. Me, I sabi buy people matter. The way I sabi carry people matter personal. They know me. No, go ask them for secondary school where I go. Just bully junior. Make one senior just bully one junior like that. Omo, wahala wey go start there. You go think say na me dey bully. I know they like am. And this thing na the thing wey dey happen now for Nigeria. Small position where they go give person. They don't turn small God. People no go gree hear word again. The same way, for all of una way they watch as they maltreat, abi they harass that man. The same one that they watch, now so they go watch una when una enter trouble. Nigeria, the poor people, now them they maltreat their fellow poor people. Poor people, they maltreat their own fellow poor people. I don't notice that thing. Poor people now, they do, I don't just understand. They quick, small power where they go give them, they go quick use them on top of their own fellow poor person. I don't just understand. I mean, I not be the same. No, see, time don't reach you. Time don't reach, may everybody start to sit down. See, not just the act, sit down and think. And now the problem where we get lack of meditation. Imagine say, because normally me, na something wey me always dey do. If I come up from road, maybe I dey street from morning to evening. By the time I reach house, seriously, after I don bath, chop, my people, I go sit down. Learn to dey do that thing. Sit down and reflect on how your day go. Think of wetin you do from morning. Okay, when I enter that bus, I insult that man. Hey, no, that thing no good. I suppose change am. Next time I no go do am. When I pick person money, I no tell am. See, meditate. They reflect on how your day go. It go dey help us. It go dey help us to dey correct many things. But no, after you finish from a stressful day or one dramatic day like that, you go just go house, bath. Some of una sef no go even bath. Una go just sit down, spread leg, wow, put TV, they chop. Then before you know, sleep don't catch you, you don't sleep. Tomorrow again, the same thing. Una know they reflect. Una know they meditate. Now, why all these things they repeat? No, if una check on Nigeria now, like one record audio or video, if they repeat, they play them every day. Now like that. Nobody they bother to sit down and think, what they do right, what they do wrong. And that one, now they bring us back to lack of spirituality. Many of them are not even this spiritual. Because if you know how, if you know say you carry God inside, this many things they will we not even supposed to do as humans. As humans, you know say if you carry knife cut yourself, you go bleed, it go pain you. But you go carry that same knife, go cut your fellow human being, and you dey expect say you no go pain am. Thunder go soon fire devil. Thunder go soon fire devil. When now all of us supposed join hands, fight this fight together against corruption, against government, against politicians. See what we they do. My people, it dey good. No, it dey good. I beg, now the matter I say make I bring for una here like this. So anything where you guys talk concerning this thing, drop am for that comment section. And I beg, share this video so that people for Calabar, Cross River State, they go know wetin dey happen. And that those two officials, they need put them behind bars. Very, very important. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss all the matters we get for now. Stay tuned for our next story.